Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to pin a shutdown icon to the Windows 11 taskbar. For this, right-click on the free space on the desktop and select here New and then Shortcut option. In the type your location box, you need to type this one shutdown a space slash s a space slash t and a space slash 0. You can increase the time for the shutting down in seconds. In case you want to shut down your PC after 30 seconds, just type here 30, replace this one 0 with 30, and Windows will wait for 30 seconds. After, you will double click this one desktop shortcut or single click on the taskbar of this one shutdown icon and then click on this one next button. Name it shutdown or turn off PC. Then click on this one finish button. It will create a desktop shortcut. To pin it, select this one icon and drag it to the taskbar. And when you see this one link, just lift your finger from the mouse and it will sit on the Windows 11 taskbar. With a single click, you can turn off your PC, or by double clicking on this one shutdown shortcut icon, you can shut down your PC.